My name is Alan Zafke. My wife and I have been full-time RVing now, headed into our third year. What brought me to the National RV Training Academy uh, was kind of a cyclical event after being in a career that I'm currently employed in now for 25 years. I'm experiencing some burnout on the back end of it, and as we approached full-time RVing, through podcasts and through radio programming and some YouTube videos, and really opened my eyes to what this place is and what we can get out of it. Now, I'm just completing my first week here now in the fundamentals training, and I'm going to carry on for the next 4 weeks to become a registered certified RV technician. If you want to be able to service your own rig, okay, to take care of your own problems while you're on the road and to have that knowledge, skill, and ability to do it, this is where you got to be. And it only takes you a week to get to it. If you want to change your career, take a shot at becoming self-sufficient, self-employed, and doing it on the road. 1 month down here and you can have it all. I feel good about it. I hope you do too.